Best Books Club presents David Goggins' Can't Hurt Me, Master Your Mind and Defy the Odds Summary. Welcome back to our channel. We're going to be talking about the book by David Goggins, called Can't Hurt Me, Master Your Mind and Defy the Odds. This book is all about pushing past your limits, both mentally and physically, and it's definitely a must-read for anyone looking for motivation and inspiration. David Goggins has an amazing story. He went from being overweight and working at a pest control company to becoming a Navy SEAL, Army Ranger, and an Air Force tactical air controller. He also holds the world record for the most pull-ups done in 24 hours, at over 4,000. But the most impressive thing about David is his mindset. He pushes himself harder than anyone else, and this book is all about how he did it. One of the main themes of the book is learning how to master your mind. David talks about how he would constantly put himself in uncomfortable situations, like running long distances in extreme heat, or going through Navy SEAL training 3 times, just to prove to himself that he was capable of anything. He also talks about learning to control his thoughts and emotions, and how to stay motivated even when things get tough. Another key point in the book is the importance of embracing your weaknesses. David emphasizes that the only way to grow is to acknowledge your weaknesses and work on improving them. He talks about how he used to be overweight and struggled with reading, but he didn't let those things hold him back. Instead, he pushed himself to become a better version of himself. The book also includes a lot of practical advice for achieving your goals. David talks about setting specific, measurable goals, and then breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps. He also emphasizes the importance of taking ownership of your life, and not letting anyone else hold you back. Conclusion. Overall, Can't Hurt Me, Master Your Mind and Defy the Odds is an incredibly inspiring book that is definitely worth reading. David Goggins' story is one of hard work, perseverance, and pushing past your limits, and his book is full of practical advice for achieving your goals. So if you're looking for some motivation and inspiration, be sure to check it out. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel, Best Books Club.